The importance of balanced meals.
Building balanced meals is key for supporting a healthy weight and long-term well-being. Eating the right mix of nutrients helps you feel fuller, provides steady energy, and ensures your body gets what it needs to function at its best. A balanced meal combines the right portions of protein, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and fiber-rich foods.
Step 1. Choose lean protein.
Include a source of lean protein in every meal, such as chicken, fish, tofu, eggs, beans, or low-fat dairy. Protein helps build and repair tissues, keeps you satisfied longer, and supports muscle health. Aim for a portion about the size of your palm to provide lasting fullness and aid in healthy weight management.
Step 2. Add complex carbohydrates.
Opt for complex carbohydrates like whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, oats, or starchy vegetables. These foods are high in fiber and digest more slowly, helping control appetite and blood sugar levels. Fill about a quarter of your plate with these options, and choose whole, minimally processed forms when possible.
Step 3. Fill up on colorful vegetables.
Half your plate should be colorful vegetables. Leafy greens, peppers, broccoli, carrots, and tomatoes add vitamins, minerals, and fiber without many calories. Vegetables boost satiety, make meals visually appealing, and support digestion and overall health. Rotate different colors and types for the widest range of nutrients.
Step 4. Don't forget healthy fats.
Healthy fats are essential. Add a small serving of sources like avocado, nuts, seeds, olive oil, or fatty fish. These fats help absorb vitamins, support brain health, and enhance meal satisfaction. Use just a little, about a tablespoon or a small handful per meal, to balance calories and health benefits.
Step 5. Mindful portions and eating habits.
So pay attention to portion sizes and practice mindful eating. Slow down, enjoy each bite, and listen to your body's hunger signals to avoid overeating. Using smaller plates, minimizing distractions while eating, and pausing between bites can all help you stay in tune with your appetite and make balanced meals even more effective.
Putting it all together.
A balanced meal includes lean protein, complex carbs, plenty of vegetables, and healthy fats. Planning meals with these building blocks ensures you feel full, energized, and nourished while supporting healthy weight management. Start small, try one change at a time, and enjoy discovering a new way to eat for lifelong health.